Maintaining your computer. Just as your car, your computer needs periodic maintenance to keep things running smoothly. You would never let your car go for years without an oil change, right? Your computer needs to be maintained just as well. Computer tuneups not only can prevent potential serious problems, it also ensures that your computer is running at its best. It's very affordable to get your computer tuned and cleaned up online by that Tech Jeff. No matter where you are located, Tech Jeff will make sure your computer is in top shape. As a way to introduce you to his top-rated online computer help service, for a limited time you can get a PC or Mac clean and tune, does not cover repairs, for just $39.99. The service takes just about 30 minutes for Mac, and about 1 hour for PCs. The offer is available only by booking via phone at 805-364-5284. You cannot book this deal online. Tech Jeff is US-based and has a 5-star Google rating, and more than 900 5-star reviews. Schedule your computer tune-up today and get up to speed.